Hi guys, I'm here making chaffles today because I want to prove how simple and easy and fast these are. They make a great food to add to just about anything. You can use them as substitute bread. You can eat them on their own. There's a million different ways you can make them. I'm going to be making simple cheese protein chaffles today that you can use for bread or with eggs to make like an egg sandwich, which is what I'm going to do with mine today. But you could add all kinds of things to your chaffles to make them special. You can chop green onions, bacon bits. You can change the cheese that you throw in them. So they're super versatile and super good. So first thing, I got a tablespoon of butter melted. We need a scoop of protein powder. This is unflavored protein powder because I'm just making plain chaffles, but you can get really creative with your chaffles and make them like real legit Belgian waffles if you choose like protein powder that has vanilla flavor, or even, I don't know, I guess you could use chocolate flavor. Scoop of that. I like using the protein powder because it makes them more filling and because it increases my protein intake, which I sometimes have trouble getting as high as I want it to because I don't eat a lot of food. So a couple of eggs, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, a dash of pink salt, and today I'm just going to use shredded mozzarella cheese. I just go by handful, something like that. You can use so many different kinds of cheese, it's ridiculous. We'll mix it up and see what our consistency looks like to start with. We'll add a little bit. You can use almond milk, water, regular milk. I use cream because I want the fat. I just throw enough in there to make it a little more battery. There we have kind of batter. You don't have to add the cheese. The recipe actually doesn't call for it, but I always add it because I really, really like it, and it helps bind it together better for me. I've got my trusty waffle iron all heated up. I'm just gonna put some olive oil on there so I can get them out later. Pour my batter in and close that sucker up. Only takes a couple minutes. These are super yummy. So I don't normally make these and eat them as regular waffles because I actually don't really like waffles that much. And I don't want the sugar from the syrup, even low sugar syrup or no sugar syrup. I just can't be bothered. I like more savory waffles, so I tend to make them that way. You can add all kinds of spices. You can throw in oregano and garlic. Use chaffles like this as like a basis for pizza even. You can throw some pizza sauce and cheese and pepperoni on it. Make little square pizzas. It's amazing how versatile these are. I'm always tempted to peek too early. Almost done. So I've got enough in this bowl just from that recipe to make probably 4. Just perfect for breakfast for 2. So you can make egg and bacon sandwiches. 2 people, and they're super filling. Like, they don't look very big, but trust me when I tell you, you're not gonna be hungry after you eat this for several hours. This probably would have gone faster if I just left it. So there we go. Chaffle. Once it cools off a wee bit, it makes a perfectly good sandwich. And that's it, guys. Ridiculously easy breakfast.